Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Stable Diffusion login problems, WebUI and Auth errors step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Stable Diffusion login page. If you encounter a login error, check your internet connection first. Ensure your device is connected to a stable network. Next, confirm you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your username and password for any typos. If you're unsure, try resetting your password. Look for a Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Once you have reset your password, attempt to log in again. If the issue persists, clear your browser cache. Access your browser settings and locate the cache clearing option. After clearing the cache, restart your browser. Then, return to the Stable Diffusion login page and try logging in. If you still face issues, try using a different web browser. Sometimes specific browsers may cause compatibility problems. Consider disabling any browser extensions that may interfere with logins. Also, ensure that cookies are enabled in your browser settings. If you are using two-factor authentication, confirm that you have access to your authentication method. Check any related email or SMS for verification codes. If you are still experiencing issues, visit the official support page. Look for common FAQs related to login problems. You might find specific resolutions for your issue there. As a final resort, consider reinstalling the WebUI interface. Follow the official installation instructions carefully during the reinstallation process. After reinstallation, try logging in again to see if the issue is resolved. If all else fails, reach out to the community forums for additional support. Provide specific details about the error you are encountering for more accurate assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.